Put it there, pal. Damn, you're handsome. It's okay. Come on. Just a bad dream. We're not there anymore.
You are the first person I've ever seen this far out. What kind of line of work are you in, James?
Army Special Forces retired.
Hey, did I notice some silver in your dog's mouth?
Owen was a combat scouting dog. Target hit him in the mouth with a brick.
Same asshole get his leg?
Yeah.
I hope you gave that fella a piece of your mind.
I shot him in the head.
Damn. This region here is the heart of the beast. Most folks learn that the hard way.
Good job, buddy. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
Sally up, I bring Sally down. Last done shot, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, I bring Sally down. Last done shot, gotta tell the ground.
You can do it. I got you. Easy, fella. We can still do this. We've been through worse. It's not the size of the dog in the fight that matters. It's the size of the fight in the dog. No, you did not. One last mission. We're not gonna die out here. Buddy, I got you.